Hello everyone. What we are learning now is the use of equipment to prevent oil pollution. With the development of the global shipping industry, the problem of ship oil pollution is becoming increasingly prominent. In recent years, multiple ship oil pollution accidents have caused serious marine environmental pollution, posing a threat to ecosystems and human health. Preventing ship oil pollution is of great significance for protecting the marine environment and maintaining ecological balance. For the study of this lesson, everyone should be able to remember the main equipment and usage points for preventing oil pollution on ships, and become familiar with the exam points on main equipment and use for preventing oil pollution in the basic safety, personal safety, and social responsibility exam. This lesson is divided into 3 parts: introduction, use of equipment for preventing oil pollution in ships, and question card guidance. Part 1, Lead-in. Let's watch the video later. Everyone needs to think about what happened in the video. What happened in the video? Answer: a ship has experienced an oil spill accident, and people are responding to it. Okay, let's move on to the learning content of this lesson. Part 2, use of oil pollution prevention equipment on ships. 1. Emergency requirements for ship oil pollution. Non-oil tankers with a total tonnage of over 1,400 and oil tankers with a total tonnage of over 150 must be equipped with a ship oil pollution emergency plan. 2. When a ship experiences an oil pollution, emergency accident actions should be taken according to the emergency deployment and oil pollution emergency plan. The general process for handling oil spills at sea is to enclose oil containment materials such as oil booms, lock the spilled oil and prevent its spread. Oil recovery shed, oil suction device, oil suction, recovering most of the spilled oil. Oil absorbing materials, recycling a small amount of residual spilled oil. Spray oil treatment agent be approved for use. Emulsify and disperse unrecoverable oil in seawater or use biological treatment methods for treatment. 2. Mechanical treatment methods for oil pollution, such as using oil containment booms, oil collectors, oil absorbing materials, etc. Biological treatment, such as using oil-loving microorganisms, etc. Chemical treatments, such as oil dispersants, oil collectors, coagulants, etc. Combustion treatment, large area oil spill, and the oil film should be at least 3 mm thick. 3. Oil spill prevention equipment and its use are first and foremost oil containment. 1. The function of an oil containment broom is to prevent the spread of oil spills in water areas, reduce the area of oil spills, transfer oil spills, and protect the water environment. 2. It is basically composed of a floating body, a skirt body, and a counterweight chain. Most marine oil booms are solid floating inflatable and gas floating. 3. The usage method of solid floating oil booms is mostly 20 m per section, while inflatable oil booms are mostly 30 m per section. When using multiple sections of oil booms need to be connected together. Next is the oil-absorbing felt, which is used to clean oil leaks, especially for small areas of oil stains. When used in conjunction with oil containment booms, it can effectively control oil leaks and prevent their spread. The oil-absorbing felt can absorb 10 to 20 times its own weight of liquids, including engine oil, diesel, water, etc. Oil-absorbing materials such as wood chips and wood shavings have low costs and are commonly used in daily work when there is a small oil leak. Oil dispersant. Oil dispersant is a common name for oil spill dispersants and is currently the most commonly used oil spill treatment agent. It is usually used to treat residual oil on the water surface after recovering most of the spilled oil due to strong winds and waves. It should be noted that oil dispersants may themselves cause secondary pollution, so it is important to apply for approval from the authorities before use. Part 3 Question Card Guide. Now, please complete the following exercises based on the learning content of this lesson. The above is the content we learned about the use of equipment for preventing oil pollution on ships. This class ends here. Thank you, everyone.